Hi friends, this is TravellinGeek here, and today we are going to check it out how to activate the VoWiFi on your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now the VoWiFi on the Galaxy Note 9 is already enabled, but that depends upon the SIM card you have inserted. If your SIM card has the setting already pre-activated by the operator, which is applicable in India for Airtel as well as for the Jio, you can see the toggle. My Note 9 has received basically the One UI 2.0 update that is based on Android 10, and now we have a direct toggle for the VoWiFi over here. So this is the default layout. As soon as you get that update, basically the Wi-Fi calling toggle can be seen directly in the quick actions toggle directly. So right now I'm using the Airtel postpaid card, and Airtel has enabled the voice over Wi-Fi on my SIM card, and that's why I'm able to make and receive calls using the VoWiFi. As soon as the VoWiFi gets active on your SIM, you can see that you get a logo like this. There is a small Wi-Fi icon along with a telephone icon, and that one denotes to the SIM card 1. So that basically shows that you are having the VoWiFi. And fortunately, basically Airtel has also enabled now to make the voice or Wi-Fi calls when you are connected to any other ISP other than the Airtel. So I don't have any Airtel broadband at my home. So when I call, you can see here even the calling logo gets changed, and basically this is a voice over Wi-Fi call. You can see that the voice over Wi-Fi icon is still over there. So it's very simple, and if you don't want the voice over Wi-Fi call, you can just switch this off, and the network switches back to the 4G VoLTE calls. When you have a 4G and when you disable the Wi-Fi, you immediately get switched to the VoLTE. Also, many people can have a queries what will happen if I'm having a call using the VoWiFi and if I go out of the range of my Wi-Fi connection. Don't worry guys, according to Airtel, they say that the call will get switched seamlessly to the VoLTE without any call breakups. So that's a very simple thing to enable the VoWiFi on your Galaxy Note 9 as well as the Galaxy S9 Plus. Well, for the Galaxy S9 Plus, you need to get the One UI 2.0 update, or you need to at least have a compatible SIM card which is having VoWiFi enabled. The same case with the Galaxy S10 Plus as well as the Note 10 Plus. If you have the Android 10 update, you will see a toggle over here. Just press that and you get this some sort of basically warning that do you want to enable the Wi-Fi calling. And also what Samsung is saying that your location related information can be sent to Google and your network operator in order to establish Wi-Fi calls. So if you have a lot of issues with the privacy and all, I rather say don't use the Wi-Fi calling. Just use the standard operator based calling, which can be your VoLTE calling. Till now my experience is that the Wi-Fi calling is as good as the VoLTE calling, and I have not faced any kind of voice degradation or any call quality issues when the VoWiFi is being used. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on thumbs up. This is TravellinGeek. Enjoy VoWiFi calling. Thank you.